On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call problem. First thing, open the settings. And now go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps right here. Click on Messenger. Click on Force Stop. After that, click on the storage. Click on Clear Cache. Go back again and click on Data Usage. Now right here you have to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it. Go back and click on the permissions here. Make sure that the phone permission exactly is enabled. Go back, and last thing you want to do now is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.